Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to install the LastPass browser extensions in the Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, select mo lang yung 3 dot icon, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung extensions. So dito sa extensions, kailangan mo lang select dito yung Visit Chrome Web Store, i-click mo lang ito. And then direct agad tayo dito sa Chrome Web Store. And the next step ay dito lang sa taas, i-click mo tong Search Extensions. And then type mo lang yung LastPass. Okay? And then pop-up ito mga kaibigan, yung pinakauna lang na LastPass Free Password Manager Extensions. So click mo lang ito. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong Add to Chrome. So i-click mo lang ito. And then pop-up ito mga kaibigan, dito lang sa gitna. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Add Extension. And then wait natin ito ma-install. And then complete install na mga kaibigan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa kanyang homepage. And then next ay kailangan mo lang mag-create ng account. And then login mo lang dito. Pwede mong gumamit ng email address, yung password. And then dito naman sa baba ay makita mo dito yung advanced options. Pag click mo itong araw na to, nandito yung pwede mong gawin na remember email, remember password, show on screen keyboard. Okay? So, ganito lang siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano mag-install ng LastPass browser extensions in Google Chrome. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.